Tonsil stones are pretty gross. I used to get them, I don't now. I'll show you how. Let's talk about it. Now, if you were researching tonsil stones and you clicked on this video, chances are you know what tonsil stones are, but just in case, let me give you a refresher. So tonsil stones are this concoction of bacteria and food debris and saliva, and it gets stuck in the folds of your tonsils and just kind of sits there and festers and eventually solidifies and turns into tonsil stones. Now, I used to get them a lot, and as a hygienist, it's super embarrassing because if you didn't know, tonsil stones can be super stinky. So I was always super conscious about my breath, especially, working on patients and being really close to their mouth and their nose. But anyway, in order to understand how to prevent tonsil stones, you guys need to understand a little bit about what causes them. So basically, it's an overload of bacteria and gunk in your tonsils. One reason is sinus issues or any postnasal drip or congestion. All of that kind of trickles down your throat and can contribute to the bacteria around your tonsils. Another thing is smoking, also coffee. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you kick the coffee habit. I still drink coffee without getting tonsil stones, so don't worry about that. And then of course things like bad hygiene, so not brushing or flossing your teeth or scraping your tongue on a regular basis. Basically all of that contributes to higher bacteria load, more chances for you to get tonsil stones. And then if you just have larger tonsils in general, there's more room for folds and little nooks and crannies for stuff to get stuck in there. So larger tonsils, unfortunately, mean higher risk for tonsil stones to develop. Anyway, how do we prevent tonsil stones? Well, two things that worked for me. Number one, taking care of my sinus. I deal with a lot of postnasal drip and phlegm and congestion. So one of the things that helped me is to regularly clear out my sinuses. I use this simple Neilmed sinus rinse. I just fill it up with some distilled water, heat it up in the microwave, and use this little packet. Mix it and then clean out each sinus. And then I do this twice a day, morning and before bed. And I also use this X Clear xylitol nasal spray. You can use it throughout the day, but it has xylitol in it and grapefruit extract. So it helps to disinfect and clear out the sinuses. Have to be honest, I don't use this super regularly, but even so, I still don't get tonsil stones. Now, the other thing, and probably the biggest thing I think that has helped me with tonsil stones, is using a chlorophyll supplement. Not chloroform, chlorophyll. I was at a beauty salon a while back, and the technician recommended a chlorophyll supplement because it helps to clear up the skin and clean out the gut and help with body odor. It's basically like eating a giant bowl of dark leafy greens. So ever since I started taking it, I noticed that yes, I get clearer skin, I have less body odor, but also no tonsil stones, even though I still drink coffee. So basically, I swear by this product. You can use it 1 to 3 times a day. So the way you use it, basically get a cup of a little bit of water, and then it's a little dropper, and you drop about 15 drops, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, into the water itself. And then I mix it and drink it through a straw because it is super dark green and I don't want it to stain my teeth. And that's it. By the way, if you guys find this video helpful so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Now, the other thing you need to do to prevent tonsil stones, it's pretty basic but super important. You have to take care of your mouth in general. So brushing, flossing, scraping your tongue on a daily basis to help decrease the amount of bacteria in your mouth. So if you're not doing that, forget about sinus rinses and chlorophyll. Start with the basics. Anyway, I'm so excited about this anti-tonsil stone regimen that I'm going to be doing a giveaway of all the products that I just talked about. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is, number one, you must reside in the United States. I don't do international shipping right now. But then just subscribe to my channel, comment below this video, and then include this emoji in your comments so I know that you actually want to enter the giveaway. And then check back next week. I'll pin a comment below with the winner's name. Now, there's only going to be one winner, so if you guys get tonsil stones and you don't want to wait, I encourage you to start this regimen ASAP. I'll leave links in the description below to all of these items, and then I'd love to hear back from you guys how well it works for you. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.